Hello guys, Himanshu here. You're watching Get Assist, and today I'm here with a topic that was very much asked about: how you guys can find out nearby girls, boys, basically people around you using your Instagram. Yes, earlier we had a similar feature in our Snapchat and Telegram too, where you can find people nearby you using the app, but now this feature is available here in Instagram using some tricks. And you guys know Instagram is the most and one of the best connecting app for people around you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, there are few ways to reach out people who are nearby you, visited places nearby you, hang around you, or have similar interests like you. By exploring the Instagram app, you can find them using the locations, tags, and their recent activities. Step number 1. Use location search on Instagram. Open up your Instagram app and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type the name of your city or your neighborhood, like I'm typing New Delhi, or even you can type the name of your favorite club or cafe, like I'm searching for Cha Bar. Now, swipe to Places tab right here. Tap on the location. You'll now see recent posts tagged here. These are real people who posted from that place. You can see the time of the post here. It's the simplest way to explore people near you. No creepy stuff, just public content. This means you can actually find out people who recently visited your favorite hangout spots or actually live there, which is a smarter way to find out people with similar interests or similar routines. Also, you can use the map option here. See this map over here? Tap on it, then pinch it in. See? You can find people around there. You can also move from here to there and see there are people who are there around you or around the place you searched in real time. Step 2. Search using hashtags. Use tags like your area, like hashtag Delhi, hashtag Delhi Diaries, or street or landmark like Bleecher Street, Defense Colony. Even you can search your college name, like I'm searching here a famous college of Delhi University here, and using this you can know your batchmates, your seniors, your juniors based on the public post like this. See? Whatever fits your location or interest, just use their hashtag. You can explore recent posts and engage naturally with the creators or people near you. Hashtags are still powerful in this era, and especially for niche local content. Step 3. Explore tagged places in Reels. Open any of a reel, tap on a video, look for the location tagged below the username or below the captions, like this one. It's a famous Indian temple. Tap it to find other reels and posts from the same area. If you engage with a recent post, you can see it's posted a couple of minutes ago. It is a lesser known trick which can help you in finding out trending people around you in your city or a landmark near you or a place where you are going to visit, and you are trying to find out people there around you, especially influencers and creators around you might want to follow or know. But guys, on a serious note, always respect others' privacy, engage with these public posts in a good manner, and don't freak out anyone like a creepy stalker. And that's all in this video about how you can connect to people nearby you using your Instagram app. Just let me know which trick worked best for you and what else. Subscribe to our channel for more such Instagram hacks, and do like this video and comment down your thoughts, and I'll meet you in the next one.